Ola, benvidos a Minuto 91. Estamos nun torneo de fútbol cadete Migrán, San Pedro, nas instalacións do Racing de Vilariño. A continuación vamos a ofrecerlles un resume de todo o canto aconteceu dende as 9 da mañá que comenzaba e remataba casi que ás 8 da tarde deste 1º de maio do 2013. Unha nova edición do trofeo Racing de Vilariño de cadetes, donde participaron entre outros o Valadares, o Tomiño, o Rivera, o San Miguel, Racing de Castrelos, la Guía Erizana e o anfitrión, o Racing de Vilariño. Para Yesnel Fernández estivemos dentro desenrolo deste torneo, bastante público, unhas instalacións fermosísimas, ata cunha grada de sol o estilo prazas de touros, pero esperemos que sexa estadios de fútbol. Pois alá vai este resumo de todo o canto aconteceu, as imaxes, algúns dos goles e os equipos, así como o ambiente nas gradas e unha reportaxe con fotos inclusive. O dito, Minuto 91 sigue ofrecendo o fútbol noutras ligas e dende os máis jóvenes, os cadetes, hoxe para nós e para vostedes. Disfrútenno.
For the boys with the booming system, top town AC with the coolest system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly couch. He a motherfucking drip, seller of the strip. When he make a drip, kiss him on a lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking hoe. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh. Yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I mack them dudes up, back coops up and truck the youth up. My heart beat running away, beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can't you hear that boom, 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 boom? He got that super bass. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's that super bass. Boom, bass, boom, bass, boom, bass, boom, bass, boom, bass, boom, bass, boom, bass. For the boys in the polos, entrepreneur niggas in the mogos. He can roll with the crew, he can so loud. But I think I like him better when he down loud. And I think I like him better with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. He just gotta give me that look. When he give me that look, then the pennies coming off. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, sigh, sickening eyes. I can tell that you're in touch with your feminine side. Yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I mack them dudes up, back coops up and chuck the